Hey there, fellow tomato enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of tomato juice. Not only is it incredibly delicious, but it's also packed with a ton of health benefits. So, what makes tomato juice so amazing? Let's start with its health benefits. First off, tomato juice is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like lycopene, which can help reduce the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Plus, it's low in calories and can aid in weight loss. Talk about a win-win. Now, let's talk about how to make your own delicious tomato juice at home. All you need is some fresh tomatoes, a blender, and a fine mesh strainer. Simply chop up your tomatoes, toss them into the blender, and blend until smooth. Once your tomatoes are nice and smooth, pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to remove any seeds and pulp. And voila! You've got yourself some fresh, homemade tomato juice. But wait, there's more. Tomato juice is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of delicious recipes. Whether you're sipping it straight or incorporating it into your favorite dishes, tomato juice is a tasty and nutritious addition to any meal. So, the next time you're craving something refreshing and healthy, reach for a glass of tomato juice. Trust me, your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy juicing!